This 2025 Winnebago Forza 34T is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 8, leveling jacks, TV, refrigerator, air conditioning, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, awning, smoke detector, stovetop burner, and 84 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2025 Winnebago Forza 34T is built on a Freightliner XCS chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.